Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November 23rd, 2021, and what I got for you all today is a price prediction into the market for Algorand. I mean, we want to see, is the price going to crash in Algorand? Because if so, I mean, when you want to get out the way, when you want someone to tell you, hey, this Algorand cryptocurrency look like the price is pretty weak. Well, guess what? This is that channel. This is what we do. We do price predictions. We literally look at the price and price only to see where the market's going to go so that we can be in position to capitalize from it, or at least get out the way so we don't lose any of our money. This is what we're all about here on HueFin, also known as HueFin News. So if you guys want to learn more, if you guys just at least want to be getting a heads up as to where we're looking for the price to go, keep it locked in here. You know, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, because this is the only thing we're going to talk about here on this particular venue. We don't talk about anything else because everything else is irrelevant once it comes to price. So check this out. You guys can tell on our last video in Algorand, which was on the 13th, we did an updated video on November the 13th. So let me zoom in and show you all what the market was doing then. Okay, so November the 13th was right here. We did another update video into the market in Algorand, because you guys can tell all the way back here on the 26th of October, I was telling you then that we were looking for the price to go up in H bar. Now, majority of the time, price didn't go up. We had one day, and you guys can see it, one day that the price hit our ultimate TP area of $2.55. Only one day. This is why you have to plan ahead. This is why you got to be a predictor of market movement, because it doesn't look like you're gonna get another opportunity for the price to hit $2.50 anytime soon. What happened right here was our opportunity, November the 18th, for us to come in and grab that 27.5%. Did you do it? Because we definitely need to talk about the market going lower in Algorand. Now, a crash, that might be far-fetched, but weakness, yeah, that's still on the table. So if you didn't grab that profitability out the market on November the 18th, you'll be down right now 14.25%. So I want to say congratulations to those who know how to accurately time the market and not become greedy. We are literally at the helm of what the market does, the trap. We're not here to dictate what we're wanting out of the market. We simply need to come in, give us what he's able to give us, and move on to the next play. And this was on that day. All right, so that's done. That is over. Let's talk about Algorand and the ability to see this price crash. Okay. So here it is. You guys can tell that we've been tracking support in Algorand around $1.60, right? That still holds to this day. So even though we're expecting some weakness to occur into the market in this cryptocurrency, we still have this $1.60 price that we can hinge on, that we can kind of safely say, as long as the market holds $1.60, we're going to expect continued consolidation of trading, and the ability of seeing higher prices is still on the table. So right now, that is still the case. So I'm not going to be an all-out bear. I'm not going to say that the market's going to crash or plummet right now. But if I still see weakness at $1.60, then yeah, that is going to be becoming more apparent. So let's look at this on the 2-day time frame. This is the market in Algorand on the 2-day. Now, basically, if you've been a subscriber of mine on this channel, you guys already know what I tell you whenever you look at price charts. Always pay attention to the volume. The volume is the lifeblood of every market. It tells us how active people are, whether or not the majority of the people were there selling or buying. It gives us the amount of energy that it took for us to create these price bars. And look at what happened on the 18th, right? Or 17th. We saw a whole lot of volume come in for one. It stands out at us. And look how wide the spread was on the price bar. And we closed at the low of the bar. There was a lot of selling going on November 17th. That's pretty much what I'm saying. So if there was a lot of selling going on that day, and following, we haven't seen price go up in Algorand, it's still telling me that there's weakness here. So can we still see price go lower? Yes. So my first spot for us to see support coming to the market in Algorand is going to be at $1.60. That's going to be the first location for us to see the trap trying to come in and prop up the price. So we got that on the 2-day. This is the 3-day time frame, right? So here we are. We're still seeing that the weakness is still apparent in Algorand on this current 3-day price bar. Now we got 11 hours and 56 minutes left, but currently, yeah, we're still weak into the market. All right. And for us to see price unable to reclaim $1.90, for us to see price break up above $1.90 still lets me know that generally, yeah, there's not that many buyers into the market in the Algorand right now. A lot of people doesn't want to buy it. And if people don't want to buy it, then you know where price has to go, because we have to create a market, right? So we got to go to where the buyers are at. And it looked like the price is a little bit lower, right? So check this out. The last three, right? Well, I'll say the last two completed 5-day price bars are all indications of weakness. We still have 3 days and 12 hours left on this current 5-day price bar, but generally what we've been seeing here over the last couple of 5-day price bar has been a emphasis of people selling. Let me circle it, right? All of these 5-day price bars right here has been indications to where the majority of the trading has been selling. Now, I will give the market credit because there has been enough interest into the market that it really hasn't had any impact on Algorand's price going down. They really haven't had any impact. So that's pretty good. But at some point, that's going to break. So this is Algorand right here on the weekly. And what happened here on the weekly time frame definitely lets me know that from a weekly perspective, we might even go a little lower than $1.60. So you got to give it at least 7 days that we can see price in Algorand break below $1.60. Check this out in 2 weeks. Let's even here on the 2 weeks time frame. So again, I cannot reiterate enough how important $1.60 is to this market in Algorand. We break $1.60, you might as well say that anywhere below that could be support. Yeah. And what happened on the last 2 weekly price bar lets me know that there's not that many people willing to buy Algorand right now. Like they're literally out the way. They bought up all that they could buy. And once they move, the market will continue to go down. So let me go ahead and do this real quick. I think I've shown you enough information off of the price chart as to where I'm looking for the price to go, right? First area, $1.60, right? That's about 8.3%. That's the best outlook right there for us to see price go down and we still find strength at $1.60. Might be $1.57, you know, in around that area right there. Now, if we break that, then let's look for price in Algorand to come down towards, let me see. I would say around $1.45. Okay. That's the second location. So we got $1.60, $1.45, and then the third area is going to be around $1.40. Right? That's it. Those are the three levels right there. I'm showing to you all right now. 160, 145, 140. Now, I've already told you that us not having the ability to see Algorand's price break above $1.90 lets us know that we're still generally weak. Now, I'm going to give us a cushion for us to allow price to go up above $1.90, and we'll still play the weakness. So as long as Algorand's price does not break above $2, I'm looking for the price to dip. I'm looking for the price to go lower. I have given you my 3 price targets: $1.60, $1.45, and then $1.40. Those are the 3 levels I'm eyeing. Now, I'm done. Simple, easy. I didn't talk about no technical indicators. I didn't talk about no technical analysis. You didn't see none of that on my chart, but I'm still looking for the market to go down. Amazing. So now it's your turn. I mean, leave me a comment right now and tell me, where will Algorand's price be in the next 3 weeks? Do this for yourself. You want to understand when to get in, when to get out. You want to be able to do this for yourself and not be reading articles and not be looking at 1,300 videos on the YouTube to where people have no idea what they're talking about. You can actually do this for yourself and be more competent in understanding how the market dynamics work in the cryptocurrency space. So do it. Try it out. Leave me a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.